Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new code from the Valentine update and Heartopia that you can redeem. Okay, first of all, you need to open your watch menu and then you're going to go to the setting to redeem a code and select redeem code here. And the code will be, love 214. Okay, and click on redeem. All right, and the code has been already redeemed and I need to track my mailbox for the rewards, and the rewards will be flowers. I'm going to open up my watch and open up the mailbox. Okay, I got snow feather rose, and then the colorful sparkler and colorful cold firework, and then we can claim it and go to your backpack to equip the rewards. And where is it? I'm going to hold the flower I've just got. Okay, this is the flower. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's so pretty, guys. And you'll be able to share the flower to your friends in Heartopia. Okay guys, and that's how you can redeem new code from the Valentine update in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.